Hello, in this video I am going to demonstrate how the DialExcel Chrome extension can be used with Google Sheets to make your calling and texting these numbers easier. So the first thing is I have my list right here, just a basic file with names, phone numbers, addresses, things of this sort. So I'm going to click the corner right here, right click, copy this entire sheet. Next, I just search Google Sheets on Google, so make sure you have a Google account to use this feature. I click this first link. On the Google Sheets website, I click Go to Google Sheets. And from right here, I click blank. Okay, so right here, I'm going to press Control V. And now I have my data posted from the Excel sheet into the Google Sheets. So now on this page, I can right click a number and it opens up a menu. So I can call this number and I'm instantly calling them. Now I'm going to hang up. I can right click the number, send the text, and I have my template right here. And I just click send. Now, if the person does reply back, I can simply just go here. I right click the number, call with DialExcel, and in the messages, you will have your replies. And from here, this person replied back, sure, I want to know more. So then you just simply go to text, and then you can reply back this way. To see where my text templates are located, I just click right here on the icon of the Chrome extension. Now I'm in the settings page. I click on text templates, and here's the template that I am using. You can use up to 3 templates. You set one as a default, and then you choose which number that you want to use to send text messages with. Another useful thing that you can do is you can share this sheet with your team members by adding their Gmail address here, or you can make it a link for anyone with the link so that they can access it and see your progress. The DialExcel Chrome extension can be used on any web page with a phone number. Web pages such as multiple listing websites, Craigslist, and any business website with a phone number that you can call and send a text to. The uses with this tool are unlimited for calling and texting phone numbers. Give this tool a try and see for yourself.